Has the mic been on mute? Has the mic been on mute the whole time? I hope not. At least not the intro. I'm eating cake. Hmm. I want to test this. Writing, okay, writing bytes, compressed bytes, DB. But this is zlib, right? 31, 39. Mm, This is not working out. Gzip response body should be gzip compressed. Start. Yes. Do I need to use a different kind of lost minute? GZM code. Right. Yeah, this one. Do I need a different? New none best should I do? What's the default returns an integer? Optimize for size of data. Okay, let's try. Creates a new description of the question. None, fast, best, best. One EF is it IFAD, one F EF BF BD08, one F EF BF BD08. It's still the same. Ooh. Hey, Anshul, sorry, Noya Rain. Hey, Noya, hi. Are you still here? Hey, hi, Noya. Yeah, I'm trying to do this challenge from codecrafters.io. Can you hear me? Give me a sign. Is my audio clear? Am I audible? I've only been streaming uh, seriously like for past 5 days. For past 5 days, I've been trying to stream every day, covering this challenge where they get you to build a toy HTTP server, doing each challenge on your own. So uh, they don't, it's not like a tutorial where they show you what you have to type. They give you a challenge that this will be your input and this should be your output. Now you have to write your code to pass the tests. For example, this one, they said that this will be your HTTP call. This is what your the, the TCP stream will have, and this is what your response should look like. Okay, if you run your program and if you make this curl request, your response should look like this. So this is uh, so I've been doing this for the past 5 days. Pretty fun. I'm hoping that yeah. So I'm hoping that this will nudge me into doing more of the build from scratch projects um, because I that is how I feel I can get over um my inner complexes of not knowing things. You know, like if I can build something, then I know how it works, obviously, right? Because so far what I've learned in past 5 days has been amazing. It's been really challenging. If you can, um, on the yesterday's stream, I was stuck in one problem for about 1 hour or more than. And today, I also streamed in the morning today, and the whole stream, the whole 1 hour was just refactoring. Um, Yeah, but I'm on the last problem, and the problem is that and I chose Rust because I want to learn Rust as well. And my problem right now is the encoding that I'm doing is incorrect. For example, if we run this, okay, if we run this, I'm getting something. Okay, I'm getting is my Is OBS covering my mouse? It is not, right? Let me show you my cursor. Okay, so if we do the gzip in my terminal, right, we get this output. But when I do it in Rust and I print and I present that, my output is this. So this definitely does not match with this, right? So this is the problem that I'm trying to solve right now. Why is my gzip encoding not working as expected? Uh, yeah, and yeah, welcome again. Welcome to the stream. It's yeah, the first bite matches. Yes, it's really nice to see you in the chat. It's usually the other way around, isn't it? Um, Also, a huge part of yesterday's stream was the music was too loud and there was nobody in the chat, so I never really figured it out. But when I went to the YouTube to see my recording, it was I could hardly hear myself over the music. So this time today, I've done away with the music. It is actually playing here. It is playing, but I have decided not to record it into OBS. Um, Watch me talk like a enthusiast, right? Um, by the way, this website, it plays lo-fi music generated by AI. So it is Twitch and you technically it is Twitch and YouTube copyright free. Uh, yeah, I feel you. One of my earliest streams, I was muted for an hour and didn't notice. That happened just now. So I got up from my chair and I uh, went and then I muted myself, and when I came back I forgot to unmute myself. All right. So yeah. And since my screen is so small, I cannot dedicate a separate space just to see if there are any chats. I plan to buy a new monitor. Then I can have dedicated space for a column where I can do stats and chat, other stuff. Uh, okay, back to the. So, how are you? Do you plan on streaming tonight? Yeah, just preparing some stuff. Yeah. I also have to be mindful if I have closed all the other tabs, all the other applications that I don't want to be captured. Uh, yeah. All right. If I can finish my challenge quickly, maybe I will see you in your own stream later. All right. Till then, I'll try fixing the gzip compression. Why are the bytes not same? Maybe I should test this out somewhere on its own. Nope, nope, nope. This is not what I want. What I want is this. And I'll also need the toggle. Damn it. Uh, I, f- I, All right, let's do cargo build just to pull all the dependencies. There is a method right with a similar name. I need this. TDD, this. I need prelude as well. Okay, then what's the problem now? The text, there is no text. What I want is this. Byte is never used. Let's try to print bytes. Cargo build, cargo run. Uh, expected found a wreck of fate because I forgot to add this. Wreck of 8 as string. There is another function. Uh, yeah, just take your time. All right. Uh, there is a method called lossy. This string from UT at lossy. I need this thing. String from UT at lossy, and then when I'm able to print it, print ln, and this needs to be a reference. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and then I need to be able to catch it into a hex dump. 48, 65. This is entirely something else. This is even okay because I'm also doing the hello world, is it? Okay, 1FEFBD. This is exactly what I'm doing, getting here, right? 1FEFBFBD. 1FEFBFBD. But what this guy is getting in the gzip algorithm is 1F8B. So if I can fix my problem here, then I should be able to do it there as well. Why is it incorrect? Maybe I need to use a different crate. Rust gzip crate. This could be, hey Noya, are you there? I wanted to show you something. You there? I wanted to show you a list of projects I want to build. Right, gzip algorithm in Rust. C from scratch. Yeah, this is the list I maintain, of a list of ideas that I wanna do eventually someday. So I have some learning C as well. Sometimes, like every few days, I do a chapter of C from a book, and I've built my own I'll show you something. The way dot files equals. So usually when I do ALH, so when I do this, okay, it prints files and everything that we expect, right? But it also prints my entire name, because the whole thing, and it prints the staff, and the date is not in the ISO format. So I have written my own version the of this thing, which just prints the date in the ISO format, not particularly ISO, but year, month, day, and time. This is much more readable for me than this thing, and it prints the files names, and it also handles the directory or not. I don't care about this as much, and it doesn't print my name. I could have also done something like this, right? I could just pipe it to awk and make it work, but that won't but that won't teach me C, right? So I wrote the entire thing in C, which was fun of its own. Reading C documentation libraries and those things. Yeah. Ah, so I'm trying to learn these things lately. Neat little project, yeah. It's it, uh, I'm trying to learn more low level stuff, trying to fix my skill issues. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Learning C and Rust and parallel. Yeah. Um, if I can understand why people had a need for Rust, and what's the what's the issues with the C, then that will help me even advertise Rust to other people even more, or in a better way, or convince me as well if it's a really good choice or not. Um, okay, now let's figure out why is this. Let's try a different crate altogether. Mm, mhm. GC. This model provides implementation of that was baked by using three moving blocks and bytes. It's very familiar to Pixie works, support encodings, use deflate GC arguments. Why is my Flate, but I'm confused. Why is my Flate 2 not working? Is it the best? What's the issue? The best is the issue? Should this be fast? 1F EFPF. It is still the same. Same. What I want, what I want is 8B. 8B. Am I giving it incorrect data? How is that as bytes? Right all. No compression is to be performed. This may actually inflate data slightly when encoding. Optimize because I rust with to use it long. create stream of file. Read GZip response from must elaborate on code to code cheese. Mhm. Mm. Maybe I should try Google Plus. Compressing files. Encode string to GZip. Left flat, deflate. So I combine the dips and respond. However, it also to the GZip layer. Flat to this is what I'm using, right? Deflate, GZip, and zlib findings for Rust. I think the issue is here in printing bytes. Is any idea of Noya? Why? Do you know why the binary that this is printing is different from this? Let's open it. And this is even different than this. No worries. I'll figure something. No. Oh, wait a sec. 1F, 1E, 1F EFPFPD. 1FEFPFPD 08000. Ah, you see? Did you see that? So when I did none here, then this response is very much like what I'm getting here in my server response. This much force through, at least the first part, just like that. And it says ABC here, whereas but when I so this is when I do but when I do best, EFPF, it is not much has changed, right? Uh, KL, something's different. R. Let me try asking chat. I'm really resisting asking ChatGPT. In the entire challenge, I did not use ChatGPT. I've only relied on docs and other things, but not LLMs. I'm tempted. I just finished eating some cake. Oh, I should have something. I'm sorry, I don't have something like conjuring cookies. That's a really neat part of your stream, honestly. Let's try this other library. Minimum supported Rust version policy. Mm. This is even more different. Right. Compression default. What is the difference between this and what I am doing? Vec new. Vec new best, vec new best, write all as bytes, and then I'm unwrapping it, finish, and then I'm unwrapping it again. Uh-huh. Mm, write all as bytes and then unwrap, write all, then unwrap. What? Slash conjure cake. Yeah. Mm, write all. Finish. Finish. It's weird. I'm getting different responses. Different. KG. KNG. KNG. PF. TV. Mhm. Exit. Mm. I think I'll end the stream here. This is going nowhere. Uh, Maybe I need to rest my mind a little bit, try some other approach. Yeah. It will probably cause some headache. Yeah, I'll take some break. All right. All right. Thanks for joining the stream, Noah. I'll see you next time. Bye. Um,